of animal feed has been an issue. For such farmers also to take advantage of them, including the waivers that we give to farmers or to traders that want to bring animal feed or ingredients that make animal feed, like the soya, the cotton, the yellow maize, because we have given and do the waiver.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.
Construction of Sebit Cement Factory in West Pokot County is complete, with its official opening slated for next week. Devki Group of Companies Chairman Dr. Narendra Raval says the new factory has created 2,000 direct jobs and tens of thousands of more indirect jobs, as well as positively impacting the economy of the North Rift region.
Sisi kushaweka billion of shillings kwa hiyo investment, sababu iko na confidence na government ya Kenya, iko na confidence ya governor ya county West Pokot, and sisi iko na roho pande ya watu ya West Pokot, sababu hawa kushapatia mimi kila kitu ile mimi nilikuwa nataka saidizi kutoka hawa.
The East African Insurance Supervisors Association has rolled out an initiative to harmonize insurance and streamline operations. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Professor Njuguna Ndungu says there is a need for insurance providers to increase efficiency in claims processing to build trust of customers, help drive up uptake of insurance.
Kenya's insurance penetration, which is the country's total insurance premiums as a percentage of the gross domestic product, is currently less than 3%. The low figure is shared across